Oh, you're videoing?
Yeah.
Oh, right on. You don't even want to wait till your second shot. What if it doesn't turn out? So, you're here.
I really like this mirror feature. It's really cool. Yeah, when we were with the Espresso, we were just like this the whole time. All right, here it comes. Oh, wow. So we look for it to what's called blonding?
Yeah, I would go a bit. And at this point, you could probably just pull a shot right out of there.
Okay.
Pull the cup out from under there, and you're in good shape. Yeah, there you go. And then this turned off.
All right. Look at that crema. It's awesome. Well, it's not as good as yours, Eric, but... It's not as bright. Yeah, it's not as bright. But it's balanced, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't have the brightness at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it is very balanced, and it has good body.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So, we're so used to the push button area. How does that... What did I do to lose the brightness, I guess?
Maybe he pulled it too soon. I refer to where he was
The
saturating it.
pre-infusion?
Yeah, the
Yeah.
pre-infusion. Too soon, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you may have actually maybe not pre-brewed it as long as I did.
Okay.
Right. Your shot may have been a little bit longer than mine too, so you
Okay.
may have lost some nuances here. You may have slightly over-extracted.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's a couple of things that you may have done.
Okay.
Yeah. But the shot wasn't bad.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't criticize it.
Yeah.
Of course not.
All right. Just look at the puck a little bit. It's a pretty dry puck.
Mm-hmm.
Want to jump for it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.